Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can boost your FPS on Dota 2, how you can fix lagging, stuttering, and freezing, and FPS drops. The best part of it, you don't need to download anything here. I will show you everything on your settings, what you need to change in order to get best results. And first of all, I will show you in PC settings, and then we'll go in game and tweak some settings there. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I always suggest you to do for people is to go to settings and then go to Windows Update and update your operating system, because it's super important and it helps with your game performance. Another thing, always update your GPU. Go to your GPU app, go to drivers, and if there is a update that you need to download and install it, please do so. Next thing what you need to do here is to open up Task Manager before you play the game and end all the tasks that is CPU and GPU heavy. So let's say I don't need Vanguard while I play the game. I can easily just right click on them and end task. So end all the tasks that you know that won't break your computer, and it requires a lot of your computer resources. Another thing that I suggest to do here is always disable basically all apps on your PC when your PC is starting up, because it will require a lot of your computer resources and sometimes you forget to disable it. So just disable them all, basically all, and then just if you need some apps, just enter manually, right? So this is the first step. And also, if you play the game with your friends, always probably you use Discord. So open up Discord, go to a user settings. On user settings, go to advanced, and on the advanced, make sure hardware acceleration is deselected. This will also help with your performance. The next thing what you need to do here, if you have Nvidia GPU, you just need to right click on it, show more options, go to Nvidia control panel. And here we need to tweak a few things. First of all, make sure resolution is the right resolution is selected here, and maximum FPS is selected as well. Then go to configure surround and PhySX and make sure your GPU is selected here, not your CPU. Super important. Then go to manage 3D settings here, and then you need to change a few things here. So the first one is make sure that low latency mode is off, max frame rate is off, you can change in game. Monitor technology is G-Sync compatible or fixed refresh. Then OpenGL compatibility, make sure it's prefer maximum performance, and OpenGL rendering GPU, make sure is your dedicated GPU. Then power management mode, make sure prefer maximum performance, preferred refresh rate, make sure it's highest available. Shader cache size, make sure it's 100 gigabytes. Textual filtering is anisotropic sample options on. Then texture filtering quality, make sure it's high performance. If you have low NPC, if you have middle or a high quality, make sure it's performance. And I use high performance. Then go to texture filtering, trilinear optimization, and threaded optimization is on. VSync is always off unless you're getting screen tearing, and then virtual reality pre-rendered frames is 2, and then you can apply these changes here. Next thing what we need to do here is to open up settings. On settings, you need to go to gaming, then go to game bar, make sure game bar is disabled, then go to game mode and make sure game mode is enabled here. Then you can close this, go to services. On services, click on one of the tasks here and press S until you see, as you can see, sysmain. Right click on it, go to properties, disable startup type should be disabled, and then right click again, and then make sure it's on stop. And then what you need to do here next is to open up Steam, look for Dota 2, right click on it, properties, install files, and then hit browse. And then you need to find exe file. Usually is on game, bin, then win64, and then you should see dota2.exe. Right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, and then make sure disable full screen optimizations is selected. Then select change high DPI settings, select override high DPI scaling behavior, and select application, apply, okay. Once you do that, then copy the path of the exe file, and then you need to close this and then go to graphics settings. On graphics settings, first go to advanced graphics settings and then make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. Then select add a desktop app, then paste the path that we just copied, and then add Dota2.exe, and then you need to find Dota 2 on this list here. So let's look for it. It should be somewhere here. Expand the option, GPU preference, make sure it's high performance is selected, and then optimizations for windowed games is selected as well. And close this window. Then right edit power plan. On edit power plan, press on power options, select ultimate performance. If ultimate performance is not available for you, select high performance here, and you can close this window. Next thing what you need to do here is to just write view advanced system settings. And on view advanced system settings, you need to select advanced. Then under performance, you should see settings. Then select custom and leave with these three options: smooth edges, show thumbnails, save taskbar. Also, it will help with your performance. Then go to advanced, then select virtual memory, select change, select the disk where you got the game installed. For me is this key. Then deselect this option and then select custom size. And then you need to calculate few things. Don't worry, super easy. First of all, you need to look. You need to know your RAM. How much RAM do you have in your computer? If you don't know, just go to system information, and on system information here, you will see install physical memory. In my case, is 16 gigabytes of RAM. So what you need to do here is to pull out your calculator. Super easy. You just need to put value of RAM that you have. In my case, is 16 times 1024 times 1.5. And the number that you get, you need to put to initial size, and then you can delete this. Then put your RAM value again. In my case, 16. Then 1024 times 3. And then put this amount that you get here, the maximum amount here, right? And then you can close this window here after you apply the changes. And then another thing that you need to do here is to press Windows and I key, or simply write run on search, and then write %10%, and then delete temporary files. Just select all and delete temporary files. If some files cannot be deleted, don't worry, just skip them and you'll be good to go. Then go to storage settings, and on storage settings, go to temporary files again, and you can delete all the temporary files except maybe recycle bin or download folder, right? And just remove all the files here, and you'll be good to go. And also go back on Task Manager, run the game, and then you need to look for on processes for Dota 2. I will show you with Steam, but it will be the same. Just right click on Dota 2, go to details, then you find Dota 2 exe. Right click, set priority, and set to high, right? And then now I will show you some options if you're experiencing a lag and basically high latency on your computer. Basically everything related to your internet. So first of all, go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you get good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices and restart your router. And if possibility, always use Ethernet cable. Then the next step, what you need to do here, you need to open up a command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and then here you need to change few things. So first of all, you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS. Another command is -winsock reset, and reset your network. Another thing that you need to do here is to open up settings. On settings, go to a network and internet, advanced network settings, and then network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And if you're using internet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And then press on network and internet, advanced network settings, find your internet connection. In my case, it's Ethernet cable. Expand this option, more adapter options. And then double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then use the following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Don't worry, it won't break your computer. It's just Google's DNS server. And now we can go to in-game settings. And in-game settings, first of all, select use the advanced settings. then select your aspect ratio and then your resolution, and then make sure display mode is on, as you can see here, exclusive full screen. I'm recording videos, so for me it's more convenient with the borderless, but for you it should be full screen here, and apply the changes here. Then use a direct 11, and then if you have Nvidia GPU, make sure it's enabled plus boost. Then select use the advanced settings here, and then what you need to do here is to just leave with a as you can see here, animate portrait here, and then select ambient exclusion as well, these two options. And then texture quality, if you're running on a higher end PC, suggest you to go with high or medium, and just test it out. If you don't, if you're getting good FPS and smooth game, not getting good FPS and smooth game, then try it low, but I go on medium. And then effects and quality is low and off. And that's basically it, what you need to do here. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.